artwork was created in Affinity Photo, and we see it here on the right. It was then made into a JPEG, which we drag and we drop into our preview screen. We then rotate it because I want a big image, and we do fit to screen, and then we send it to our printer, and it's that simple. Next thing we'll show you making the screen. So here we are at the MiScreen, and we're holding down the lid and that activates the drive. So the master material and the screen is going through the MiScreen, and as it goes through, it's burning away holes where the black items were on your preview screen. As you can see, it's coming out and it's making the image into the screen, and it's doing it at a reasonably high resolution, 200 dpi, and you end up with a great looking screen every time. There it is there with the bike. So now we've taken it to the print area, and we're just going to use some black ink. This is a Ringer t-shirt we're using, and with the black ink it'll match in quite nicely. And we've put the screen sideways on, which gives us a 300 wide image by 210 deep, more than enough for most t-shirts, for logos and designs. And as you can see, we lift that up, and we've now got a great image transferred to our t-shirt. And we could carry on and print more and more and more.